ni Yuri Batista, kailangan mas tumibay pa yung defense system ng Creamline.
Back row attack for Carlos. And coverage extremely good for the Cherry EB crossovers, but back-to-back points for Schwan to start set number 2.
The double block just couldn't handle the power that Schwan hit.
Anything you see that they could do better here in set number 2?
I'm just looking for the numbers of Aragalang actually.
Okay.
Because she can also score.
Only 3 points for Galang. 2 in the first set and 1 so far, very early here in set number 2. And Schwan this time from the back row again. That's 9 points now for Schwan. Smashers, the lead is now 6 points. Batista. Atienza has been defending so well from that spot. Schwan picked up by Vicar. Nierva, the reverse set. Batista, the drop, easy pickup for Negrito. Atienza to Gumabao, off the block and outside. Ouch. 7 points, 8-1. Set number 2. Batista looking for the side out is finally there. Gumabao serving for the Cool Smashers. Robles with a much better pass. And again, Gaston, you mentioned how high her efficiency is. Carlos rejected. Schwan is everywhere. I mean, digging, covering. Batista pops it up. Nierva with an easy over. Negrito goes out to Carlos. Carlos, big swing. Galang this time to Robles. Robles, a big hitter as well. And there it is. Robles with point number 3.
You have strong attackers in the front row.
This is the closest the Cherry EB crossovers have been since trailing by 7. Carlos, cut shot, picked up by Robles. Nierva doing a pretty good job keeping it alive on the second touch. Carlos, second straight try, rejected. Gumabao back to Carlos, third straight try with a left hand. Gaston from the pipe, Batista. And now Schwan answers. Rolls over, to sit on a 4-point lead, but right now this isn't safe with the way the Cherry EB crossovers have been making a run. This one, almost an overpass. Gaston, good job defending at the net. Schwan, there's a dig by Nierva. Batista from the pipe, popped up by Gumabao. And Carlos looking to answer. Another drop shot, pancake save. Nierva, Robles. Yes! What an exchange here.
NU connection right there.
4 points for Robles, 2 in the first, 2 here in the second. Schwan. Got it.
She can also go for power.
Gamit serving. Robles will get it back. Blocked. Batista with coverage. Robles again blocked. Nierva to the pipe. Here comes Batista. Got it. Not going to be outdone. Underhand pass. Here's Schwan looking to answer. Nierva pops it up. Vicar to Batista. Schwan with a dig. Carlos. That one sailing outside. Wait a minute. Patrick Castillo, first referee, says there's a block touch.
At some point, you have to use her kasi sa mga double substitutions, nakakuha sila ng instant production also from Pat.
There's a solid block by Maraño. 2 straight points for the Cherry EB crossovers. That's the first point for Maraño. By the way, a Tibay defensive play of the set brought to you by This is now the closest the EB crossovers or Cherry EB crossovers have been since trailing by 7. They're within 3. Ah, block there. Make that a 2-point game. Robles with her 5th point.
Set number 1, Creamline played catch up. This time it's Cherry Tigo. They have to claim their balls.
Over eagerness to keep it alive. Good pass. Gumabao. Maraño now a chance to tie. Vicar. Oh, rejection. Pangs Panaga. What a way to finish it off. Stopping the run of the Cherry EB crossovers with a monster block. This point